In this section, I will show you how to develop a model in SuperDecisions version 3. First, we need to make clusters for goal, criteria, and alternatives. We do this by going to the plus sign over here, click on it, then you can just name it, and then click Add More. And then we're done, and you can just spread them out a little. Next, I need to add the nodes to each of the clusters. I can do this very simply by clicking Add Node. And then I just name it. So for goal, I'm going to name it Buying a Car, because that's what we're doing. Now for criteria, I'm going to say cost, comfort, safety, and aesthetic. And then finally for alternatives, we're just going to call them car 1, car 2, and car 3. Now I need to make connections between the nodes so that SuperDecisions knows how everything is related. I'll do this by go to Make, Show Connections, and it says select the parent or from node. So I'll start with my goal of buying a car, and from here I'm going to check off all of my criteria. So aesthetic, comfort, cost, safety. Let's see, all those are checked off. Now I'll do this again, going from each of my criteria to all of my alternatives. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure that all the connections have been made correctly. To do this, we can click this little button up here, and then click on each node. And you'll see that the ones highlighted in red are all the ones that are connected to that node. And then we can do the same for the criteria, and verify that each criteria is connected to all the alternatives.